Hello, so it is November 9th today, and the day is roughly 60 degrees, and today I chose to work in the greenhouse. This morning I took all these plants out. I also wanted to sort them out by size, like the small pots and taller ones. I also took some of the dragon fruits out right there, as you can see. I noticed a lot of them were leaning over, or their stakes had rotted over the time, so I went ahead and supported them. So we'll do a quick look at the smaller plants, and we'll also peek in the greenhouse. Like I said, today, clean them out, have all my little tools there, new soil. So, and I'm also making these plastic tags. There you go. Just because these popsicle ones have broken over time, so I just wanted to make it permanent. So look at this one. I have some sapodillas. One of these days I'm going to thin them out now that there's 4 good ones. One little lychee, Taiwan lychee from May. Soursop. So my soursops aren't doing very well, but I've noticed that some of them that have leaves on it are growing back, like this one. This little one right there. What I'm also going to do in the greenhouse is put all of my soursops on a heat mat, hoping that they'll come back. And they look like they're still viable. I don't want to start picking out the dead ones yet. If I introduce heat, and they'll come back. Some more sapodillas. These just look really good. A larger loquat, planted in June. I picked the seeds in April. Again, more loquats, lychees, various ages. Got some more tamarinds from July. These were like a July batch. I think this one was from a July batch. And again, the dragon fruits. They're ranging from 31 to 33 inches tall. So I think that's pretty good. I put metal stakes on them. I couldn't find any really tall wood pieces, and the wood pieces would break every once in a while, slowly breaking down. So I was like, let me get some real ones, and these are the stronger ones, so I know these are the ones I need to really work on supporting. But these definitely needed a pick-me-up, literally. So they're staked up and they're happy. Cherimoyas. I believe these were from, I'd have to double check. This is another reason why I'm doing the tags, because I'm going to eventually forget when I planted these. So I'm going to have to double check for this one, but these might be the year old ones. So that's everybody that's outside right now. Yeah, lychees, sapodillas. Oh yeah, my pineapple. But everybody's doing good. Nobody's having adverse effects. So we'll take a peek in the greenhouse. So here's inside of the greenhouse at the moment. It is 86 degrees in here, and outside I think the high is supposed to be like 65, so it's definitely up to 20 degrees warmer in here as it is outside. And I came in here at 10 in the morning and it was like right at 70, so it's definitely the morning sun does keep this up. So as you can see, there's the jackfruits. This yellowing is recent. I guess the sudden, being outside and then coming in here, they're reacting badly. And I also noticed today that something's been eating off of the jackfruits. Eating off of it. And yeah, there's that, and there's like poop on the leaves. And I discovered that there's a grasshopper in here. I don't know where he is right now, but he's about good 2 inches. So he was a big grasshopper. I was actually trying to get the chickens to come in, but they're like, nah, we don't like that. You want them to come in for once, but they don't get it. So I'm going to have to find him. So all this mess are the tamarinds, Tamarindus indica, and the twins. I just put this back here this morning. I put like a little shelf up there, and the larger loquats are back there. They'll need their own pots. I think there's like 4 or 5 of them in there. They'll need their own pots, so I might do that soon. All the dragon fruits are under here. It's cold down here, or like cool down here, so I might stick a heat lamp down here just so that they can get a little bit of sunlight and warmth just to trap it down here. Oh, there's ants. Fire ants are everywhere in here, so I'm trying to deal with that too. Oh, I put Tammy, here's Tammy, bottom of Tammy, on a little roller just so I can move her around just a little bit, just move it around. Old-fashioned thermometer, got a heat lamp, or a light. I think I turned this one off. There it goes. And I'm also going to resolve that. Like tie it around the pole so it's not going to jump like that. Of course, the LED shop light. This is a heat bulb. I still need to install the 12 outlet. I might do it right here. So everybody's in here. A little cluttered, but everybody fits. Everybody's happy. Not losing any leaves yet. The new growth finished with Tammy. So, and the other ones had new growth too. So they finished out. So I think they like it in here. Oh, so I just got done rearranging the wires and lamps. I replaced it because this one fell earlier today, so I put a new bulb in there. So I went ahead and tied them to the bar. And they'll fall, they'll just be a little lower, but they're not going to crash to the ground. And I also took the wire and just tied it along the top here, so they're not hanging. 3 wires, plugs right here. And then the 12 outlet power strip. But it looks good so far. This is the shop light, so I put this on a timer just to add just a little bit of extra light in here. The greenhouse is on the east side of the house, so once the sun sets, it casts a shadow over here. So that happens at around 3:30. The temperature does drop once the sun goes down. So just to add a little light. So what I did with the soursops was that I put them on a heat pad. You can see the lettering right there. And I put a metal tray under it just to create some heat and also bring these plants back to life. So it's looking good. Everybody's comfy. I guess we'll see how things go throughout the weekend. But otherwise, we're just going to wait till next week and see how everybody does.